Hi and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can create a funnel chart. And for that we've created like a simple set of data with different funnel stages, values and previous values. What we need to do is we need to create first of all our funnel chart type. So we want to drag measure values into columns and then duplicate measure values with the control hold click. We want to remove all the values that we don't want, which is all the other funnel stages. And just for your info, the funnel stages have been created using a calculation. So you kind of like reference the attribute of the funnel stage to be equal to the value of it, and also the negative value of it. Again, this workbook will be downloadable, so you can take an example of it. What we then need to do is drag the funnel stage into rows. That already creates our funnel chart almost. We then edit the axis to reverse the scale. We then start dragging the funnel stages into color and the measure names into detail. That should be also in here. There. What we then need to do is we create an area chart, and we want to create the computing calculation downwards. We do this for all the funnel stages. You can see the funnel builds nicely up. And the last thing you might have to do is turn off the stack marks so that the funnel becomes more or less in line. The last thing you would want to do is the whole formatting, where you remove all the lines. You remove the header from here, for example. You can create a sheet. Oh, that wasn't it. This one here. Fit it to the height. Can do this here. So then what you can do is you can shift click your values. So in this case, all I did was value divided by the other value. And we can drag this straight into label. You will see a double label. So the only really trick I found is to kind of like put it on the left and the top, so it doesn't look like it's two values, and that looks then kind of fine on the funnel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm trying to keep it short. Let me know in the comments if this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.